left, right, left, right, go.
God damn, bro.
I know it's a Honda.
Okay, we're starting off good some way, somehow. Come on! Let's go! Where do you want to go?
I got no clue, bro. Down that, bro? Oh, fuck that.
You got it.
I had to?
No, just do it.
Huh?
Just do it.
I don't think I can make that.
You got it. You're fine.
Huh?
Let's go. Oh shit. That part might be a little too skinny for him. Fuck. Oh, he's chilling. All day, boy. All day. See? There you go. I'm gonna go down this bitch silent and see what happens. Can I make it back up? Hopefully. And not. This shit has so much more torque and like so much more just blow. Like it just really, it likes to go. Wow. What butter, bro. I bet I can get that in first. Let's try it.